これは、アフリカとインターネットで最も偉大な作家であるドン・ハビエル・クレメンテ・エンゴンガによって承認され、署名された作品です。ブラックビジネスの社長であり、ザ・ユナイテッド・ステーツ・オブ・アフリカ・コーポレーションの社長でもあります。信じられない方は Google で検索してみてください。アフリカからどうもありがとう。
Distinguished members of the World Digital Government, esteemed partners, and visionary leaders, it is with profound respect and strategic clarity that we welcome you today. We stand before you under the legal and institutional structure of the United States of Africa Limited, a private company limited by shares duly incorporated in England and Wales on 24 May 2024, company number 1574-35, with its registered office at Level 17, Dashwood House, 69 Old Broad Street, London. Within this legal framework operates the Africa General Strategic Investment Division, a coordinated platform designed to structure, finance, and deploy large-scale industrial and digital ecosystems across Africa. Our foundation is lawful, structured, and internationally anchored. Our mission is clear: to transform Africa's productive capacity through automation, industrial integration, and sovereign-aligned capital deployment. Africa General Strategic Investment Division functions as the central coordinating platform overseeing 6 specialized divisions: automated manufacturing, automated food and drinks, automated steel, electronic commerce, automated electric vehicles, and the strategic capital arm. Together, these divisions form an integrated industrial architecture. We build smart factories to localize production. We industrialize agro-processing to secure food systems. We develop steel capacity to sustain infrastructure. We digitize trade to empower markets. We advance electric mobility to support energy transition. And through our Strategic Investment Division, we structure financing, partnerships, and capital allocation aligned with long-term continental sovereignty. This is not symbolic development. It is structural transformation, legally grounded, strategically coordinated, and digitally aligned for the future.